At the end of this video, you'll know how to add a program or level of care to a client. To begin, navigate to the Clients chart, and then select the Episodes tab. Within the Episodes tab, towards the bottom you will see the Programs area. Select the Add Program button. You will then enter the start date for the program, and you have the option to document the time. You will skip the end date, because that will not be entered until they transition out of this level of care or discharge from this program, but you can enter in the estimated end date. Then navigate to the Programs drop-down. This is where you will select your level of care or program. If you need to customize the program lists to fit your facility needs, contact your implementation specialist or BestNotes support by sending an email to team@bestnotes.com. Once you have selected the program, you will also want to select a location. The locations can also be customized per facility, per database. Then you can select the client's primary provider with the Staff drop-down. Now that you have entered in this information, select the Save Program Data button. Now you know how to add a program or level of care to a client. If you have any questions about programs, you can reach out to BestNotes support.